Well, it's an immense gift to have Justice Ginsburg come and visit our program and visit with our students. And she's an amazing justice, and she represents a whole tradition of American jurisprudence.
Every day that we sit in court and every day that we confer, the first thing we do when we enter the robing room or the conference room is each of us shakes hands with every other. There are 9 of us, and for the mathematically inclined, have you figured out how many handshakes that is in total? 36.
Meeting up with Justice Ginsburg was an incredible honor. I think it's a once-in-a-lifetime experience. She's one of the most important people in all of the United States and all of the world.
Justice Ginsburg has been so open to all of us. At the welcome reception tonight, she sat down with us and allowed us to ask questions, and even the questions I asked, she didn't just give a simple response, but she went to an anecdote and left us with some good memories from the event.
Few people in the world have the opportunities to sit essentially one-on-one with a Supreme Court justice, to have her talk about the term of the court which just ended, which was an incredible term. The students gathered around her for hours and they asked whatever she wanted. I can't imagine a better opportunity for a law student anywhere.
Justice Ginsburg is probably the main highlight of our trip. It's not every day you get to escort a justice to her hotel and have a one-on-one conversation with her. It's actually unbelievably amazing.
Let me tell you what my first boss on the court said about the job. This is Chief Justice William H. Rehnquist. He used a metaphor from his favorite sport, which is basketball. He said, the Constitution has placed the judiciary in a position somewhat similar to a referee in a basketball game who is obliged to call a foul against members of the home team at a critical moment in the game. He will be soundly booed, but he is nonetheless obliged to call it as he saw it and not as the home crowd wants him to call it.
Most people have like superheroes that they idolize. The Supreme Court justices, they're my superheroes. And to get to see Ginsburg, like hear her speak, 1, about her entire term, and then 2, have dinner with her, and she was like right that, like I shook her hand and got to ask her like a question, and she was so wise and had so much advice to offer, and just everything she said was like gospel, and it was amazing to just have that experience because it's a once-in-a-lifetime experience.